Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set an alarm and how to delete an alarm on your mobile phone easily. So let's start how to do it. First open the clock app on your phone. Now tap on the alarm section. To add a new alarm, tap on plus or add button. Then select the time you want, for example 7 a.m. After choosing the time, tap on save or OK. You can also change the alarm sound, time, turn vibration or off, and set repeat days if you want. Now your alarm is successful set. Tap on save button. Next, I will show you how to delete an alarm. Go back to alarm section in the clock app. Find the alarm you want to remove. Then tap the delete or trust icon on the same phone. You can also swipe the alarm left or right to delete. So, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.